I had a question from a homeowner as to which Sthil grass trimmer I'd recommend. And this one right here is the cheapest one at $139. Sthil FS38. It's a 2-cycle gas-powered engine. You'll have to mix the fuel, and it's got a curved shaft. So this is the cheapest model, and this will go all day as long as you want to go. I'll give you a little demo on the cold start, and I'll knock down some of this overgrown stuff and you can see how it goes. You want to choke it, prime it, make sure it's on, this off, on, no gas, just pull it. Alright, when that stalls out, push it all the way back, and then you're probably going to give it some gas. It'll sound a little doggy till it warms up. Let it warm up. Okay, now we're ready to cut some of this down.